today class we are going to be talking about the laws of logarithm. So the first law we are taking is multiplication law. So in the case you see this equation like this, log a times b in base x, you have to follow the law before it's solved. So the way you convert it is that anytime you see multiplication, you turn it into addition. So this will give us log a in base x plus log b in base x. So we want to take an example now. Let's use log. We want to use, and let's just say here will be 3, log 3 in base 10 times log 3 times 2, all in base 10. So if you want to convert it, you have log 3 in base 10 plus log 2 in base 10. Moving on to our next law, division law. So in the case when you say divide sign, you have to minus, you have to subtract. So how do you do it? You have log a in base x minus log b in base x. So let's take an example. Log, open bracket, let's say 3 over 1, all in base 7. So if you want to change it before you solve it, you have log 3 in base 7 minus log 1 in base 7. So our next question now is, our next law is power law. So in the case like this, before you solve the equation, you need to take this power, the power is taken to the back of the log. So this will give us b log a in base x. Let's take an example. Let's use log a log, let's say 2 raised to the power of 3 in base 8. This is equals to 3 log 2 in base 8. So the next law is fractional law. So in this case, to change it to a fraction, this will become your numerator and this will be your denominator. So this is equals to log 10 log a in base 10 raised to the power of b, your numerator, all over x, your denominator. So in this case, you take use of the power law. So the b all over x will go to the back. So this will be equal to b all over x log b all over x log a in base 10. So let's take this example. Anytime you see that the log doesn't have a base, it's automatically in base 10. So this is equals to log 2, 5 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator over 3. This is log 2 raised to the power of 5 over 3 in base 10. So this will give us 5 over 3 log 2 in base 10. So this next law is a law that states that any log that the number is the same with the base is automatically 0, is automatically 1, because even if it's log 10 in base 10 is 1, log 8 in base 8 is 1. So let's take an example. This will be log 10 in base 10 is equals to 1. Then in this case, this is our last law, log 1 in base x. Anything in any number that any base that the number is 1 is automatically 0, especially when the base is a positive 1. So let's take an example. Log 10 in base 1 equals to 0. Even if it's log 1 in base 10 is equals to 0, even if it's log 1 in base 8, it still equals to 0. Then